What is the essence of making a videos and posting it on our YouTube channel? I think what will actually make us to do more is when we post our videos and it's going viral and it's getting views. Yes. Now just imagine you upload the video and the video is having just 10 views, 20 views. Oh my God, this is really frustrating because to sit there and make a video, it is not easy. It is not easy. And also uploading it with our data, it is not easy. Now, this is the question that we need to ask ourselves. How do we get view on YouTube? How do we get our videos to get views on YouTube channel? Now, there are a lot of secrets about it. One thing you need to be doing today is try to optimize YouTube SEO with your videos. Yes, try to optimize your videos to get views so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to categorize your videos with the SEO you have, optimized your videos to the certain kind of category of people you are making your content to. Yes, this is the purpose of optimizing videos to get views so that your videos can reach your targeted audience. Now, how do we optimize our YouTube videos to reach these people? Now, I think the first thing we need to be doing is whenever you record your video and edit it finish, always name your videos with the keyword title. Yes, the title you are going to put into your YouTube channel, just name it after you edit the video. Change the default name. This is the first step you need to take today. Yes, because this is, you are trying to tell YouTube algorithm what you are trying to do, the target audience, so that it is going to understand who particularly this content is meant for. That's why from the beginning, from the basis, start by naming the name of your videos with the keyword of the targeted audience. Let's see how to get views. This is the content I'm making right now. Then I will now name it how to get views on YouTube. You understand what I'm trying to say. No matter which niche you are, just make sure from the basics, change the name. That is the first thing you need to do. Now, after uploading your videos, one thing you need to be doing is do not take the description very lightly. Description is very, very important because this will actually make your videos to be visible not only on YouTube channel, not only on YouTube platform, equally on Google, because people will equally search from Google and Google will suggest your video when it is optimized around this kind of keywords. That's why it is very, very important for you not to ignore the description, most especially the first 25 words. Ensure the keywords of your video, of your targeted audience is included. And another thing is the tags. Do not ignore tags. Tags is very, very important. Most especially at the top of the description, just include 3 tags. It is enough. Put hashtag the keyword of the targeted audience. Let's say how to get view on YouTube. Hashtag how to get views on YouTube. These are the content I'm making right now. Whichever content you are making right now, do the hashtag. Put it at the top of the description. At least 3 is enough. This is how you optimize your videos for it to get views, for it to be visible on YouTube and also to be visible on Google and other platforms like that. Don't be surprised. People from X might be watching your video. You don't know. Now, another thing is the default tag. The default tag after when you're uploading your videos, when you see show more, you click on show more. The default tag, this is where you included all this tag. I think the reason why putting this tag is if there's any mistakes in your videos, if the YouTube algorithm is getting very, very hard to categorize your video to hit audience, I think this tag is the one that YouTube algorithm usually check in to give it direction to know the kind of your targeted audience. That's why this default tag, do not ignore it. Put in the tag. Put in as many tags as you like. You understand what I'm saying? How do you get this tag? Keyword 2. Just go to Google, search keyword 2, and then the kind of content you actually want to make, just search the name. You will see the related keywords that people are searching, almost 300 of them, 200 of them. This keyword 2 will bring out everything. Just gather everything, put them into your description, put them into this your default tag. This is how you get views. This is how you get your videos to get views, because when you input the kind of keyword people are currently searching into all this your videos description, it will be very, very easy for YouTube algorithm to know the kind of video you are making. Another thing you need to be doing is the title of your videos. Ensure you build the title of your videos around the keyword that are related with your content. It is very, very important. Most especially, let's just say how to get views in 2026. How to get our YouTube videos to get views in this year 2026. These are certain kind of keywords you need to be inputting into your description, into your title. No matter which niche you are, just put in the keyword. Don't forget the keyword, you are the title, you only have 100 characters. Then let me say minimum should be 60 characters. Just write it very short. Let people should be able to read it and understand it very quickly. This is another way of optimizing your videos to get views. The title is very, very important. Optimize, put in the keyword into the title. Another thing you need to be doing is whenever you are making your videos, say some of the keywords that are related to your content. Say it inside the video. Say it inside the video, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to transcribe the video, the keyword from what you have said in your content. It will be able to transcribe it so that anytime people search it, don't forget there is a caption under your video. YouTube always do automatic caption. When you say how to get view on YouTube, it will write the caption. This is another way of optimizing your videos to get views. These are some of the secrets we need to be doing. And one thing is, don't forget to categorize your video. It is very, very important. Always categorize your video. Categorize it. It is very, very important so that we will know the kind of niche you belong to. Not today you are talking about football and you go and put it under how to or under vlog. It is very, very wrong. Categorize your video under where it is appropriate. Another thing is always create a playlist. Playlist is very, very important so that your viewers will be able to differentiate your content. You'll be able to assemble them, arrange them serially. It is very, very important to create a playlist. Even though sometimes YouTube usually suggests videos to people through playlists. That's why it is very, very important. These are some of the ways we get views on YouTube. But don't forget, if your video is not getting views right now, don't forget, it is about consistency. Consistency actually matters. No matter what, don't stop posting video and don't stop making quality videos, because one day, one of your videos will surely go viral and you blow up. This is the best thing. So these are some of the ways you do YouTube SEO. These are some of the ways you get your YouTube to be able to display in the search engine. It is very, very important to know how this YouTube works and how to get your videos to the larger amount of audience that requires to watch your videos. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe. Now don't forget always to watch my content. It is very, very important. You are going to learn a lot. Thank you guys.
Yeah.